Hello children, this is part 2 Euclid's geometry. Okay, in part 2 we have to understand equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulate. Equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulate. Equivalent means it is equal to some versions. Okay, Euclid's fifth postulate can be equal to other postulates also. Let us see now. Let us recall Euclid's fifth postulate. Okay, what is Euclid's fifth postulate? We studied is that we can conclude that no intersection of lines will take place. No intersection of lines will take place when the sum of measure of the interior angles on the same side of the falling line is exactly 180 degree. So once again, see children, in fifth postulate, one side we saw angle A plus angle B is less than 180 like that. Okay. Now once again, I am trying to say about this. Recall Euclid's fifth postulate. We can conclude that no intersection of lines will take place when the sum of measure of the interior angles on the same side of the falling line is exactly 180 degree. Okay, there are other equivalent versions of this postulate. One of them is Playfair's axiom. See children, clearly try to understand this one. Okay, so here there are other equivalent versions of this postulate, fifth postulate. One of them is Playfair's axiom. Playfair's axiom, which is as stated below. For every line L and for every point P, you can see here, for every line L and for every point P not lying on L, this is L, okay, and P we can see here, is it not? For every line L and for every point P not lying on L, that is P is not lying on L. Okay, there exists a unique line. There exists a unique line in the passing through P. There exists a unique line passing through P and parallel to L. Unique line, that is nothing but M children. Okay, passing through P, there exists another line that is called M and which is parallel to L. Okay, now this results, okay, this result can also be stated in the following form. Okay, in the following form, two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. Two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. Okay children, this is about equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulate. Okay children, now based on this equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulate, let us learn exercise 2.2. okay, so here let us learn exercise 2.2, that is exercise 2.2 here. How would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate so that it would be easier to understand? Once again, see children, how would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate so that it would be easier to understand? See postulate 5, when two lines are cut by a third line, when two lines are cut by a third line, okay, such that the sum of the interior angles is less than, see these two, is less than 180 degree on one side. Okay, is less than 180 degree on one side, then first two lines intersect on the same side. Then first two lines, these two lines intersect on the same line, same side. Okay children, See, once again, see, I am saying here, if A and B, this angle A plus angle B is less than 180, on the same side, correct? On the same side itself, it intersect the two lines. The first two lines intersect on the same side, okay? Where there is less 180 degree. Okay, children? Next, that is first answer. The next is second one. Second one, does Euclid's fifth postulate imply the existence of parallel lines? Explain. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. Yes, parallel lines exist because of Euclid's fifth postulate. Let us see how we get. According to fifth postulate, here you can see this is according to fifth postulate, two parallel lines and one intersecting line. Okay. So angle A plus angle B is less than, since here these two lines are meeting, okay, less than 180 degree. Yes or no, children? And angle C plus angle D is equal to what? That is greater than. Okay, these two are greater than 180 degree. Then the lines meet on left side, correct? Then the lines meet on left side like this. Okay, now you can see here, if angle P, if angle in this angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree and angle R is equal to angle S is equal to 180 degree, it means these lines never meet on left side, correct? These lines never meet on left side, correct? Left side, nor meet on right side, nor meet on right side. Therefore, the lines are parallel. Okay, children? Therefore, the lines are parallel. So, what did we understand here? Because see here, we learned here the Euclid's fifth postulate. According to Euclid's fifth postulate, any one side, if the sum of the two angles are less than 180 degree, sum of the two angles are less than 180 degree, then the two lines meet like this here, okay? And then the other side it will be greater. See, after studying this concept, we will get definitely in our mind that there is an existence of parallel lines. Okay, children? That's what, if we draw this lines, okay, one line parallel, that is one line straight like this, then definitely we'll get what? Parallel lines. That is what here we are seeing in this. Like, you see here, if we draw like this, see here for two parallel lines, okay, draw like this, angle P plus angle Q is equals to 180 degree, angle R plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. That means, it means these lines, okay, these lines, they never meet on left side. Yes or no? You can try, you can extend these lines indefinitely and you can see they never meet on left side and even on right side. Okay, therefore the lines are parallel. Okay, children? Okay, this part 2 of Euclid's geometry completed, and this lesson Euclid's geometry completed, a very small lesson this is. Okay, it is a very small lesson, and the notes already I have sent you, children. So now I am sending you this video. Please watch and try to do, I think, a very less homework I have given in this chapter, and study and be prepared for the test. Okay, I will let you know when is the test. Okay, so first you prepare and revise. First complete your classwork, revise, study well. If you find any doubt, you can ask me personally, and you can send through WhatsApp also. Any question is you have doubt in any question. Okay, children? Okay, thank you, children. Thank you.